Alright, y'all. Dirt Fishman here, y'all. Me and my boy, we wanted to say hi before we open up some cars. Alright, y'all. Let's get to open up some cars here, y'all. Let's turn this camera around and let's have some fun.
Let's open up this one first.
We're going to open up we'll open that up first, I reckon, since it's right there. Alright, y'all. I have to apologize for my turner. Every time it gets cold, it wants to make a sound, so I don't know if y'all can hear it in there or not. If you do, I apologize for it. Alright, y'all, up first, we're going to be the Larry Woods 50th anniversary cars. The custom 53 Chevrolet. Here you go, baby. Open it up. These going to be hard, ain't they?
The Hot Wheel.
There you go.
The Hot Wheel, though.
Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels. It's an old Hot Wheels. I think these were back in, what was it, 2018. Alright, y'all, the green with the clear hood on it. Alright, y'all, up next is going to be the Shelby Cobra Daytona, the Larry Woods edition. I might have to help you, baby. This is tough. I'll get it started for you. That thing, rip it off. Rip it off. Alright. Stick your hand there. Come on. Come on, man. Shelby's one of my favorite vehicles. Come on, baby. We get it out. There it is, y'all. Check that Shelby out there. All right, y'all.
You got two of them, don't you? You got two of them, don't you?
Up next is the Wild Thing of the Larry Woods. Anyway, rip that paper off. I know it's hard. Yeah, you get your finger in there.
Before we put on the spinner, let's see how it rolls.
It rolls, baby. It's got 3 wheels. Check this Wild Thing out. Alright, all that's on there, y'all. Up next is going to be the Larry Woods Passing Gasser. Get that off. Get my hand. There we go. Now you can tear it off the rest of the way.
We have to test it out.
Still works, baby. There we go, y'all. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the Larry Woods Bone Shaker in all gold.
Oh, I gold. Uh-huh.
That one came out pretty easy there, didn't it?
It will come out.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite castings, y'all. A bone shaker. Alright, y'all. Another Larry Woods Roger Dodger.
Mine is a green.
That's the way they made it.
I can do it.
I don't know, baby. It's kind of hard. You need to cut your fingernails.
Why didn't I want to be able to do this? I was wanting to go so I can do that with you.
Come back my hand. There we go. Oh, Roger Dodger.
Then let's move over there.
All right, y'all. Another Larry Woods be Street Rodder. Street Rodder. Here you go, baby.
I
There you
keep
go.
slipping on trash.
Put the trash in front of you and you won't step on it. Let me get it started for you. There we go. Well, y'all, this is gonna be my last of the Larry Wood collection that I got. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the '88 Honda CRX. Yeah, that should be an easy one there.
That one's move over right there.
Yep.
That one's move over.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Bronco R. Here, baby. Open it up.
Big gas this year.
Yeah. It rolls. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger in pink.
Mom's going to like this.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 76 Chevy Chevette. Here you go, baby.
I figured out there's
Here you
all
go.
one right there.
Mm-hmm.
How did it get there?
I'll put it there.
Why did you put there?
An old drag car.
Why did you put the Hot Wheel there?
Because I did, baby. All right. Next is going to be the custom 68 Camaro.
Yeah, guess the headlight don't work.
They work, baby. It's got the racing. They put the tape on it. All right, y'all. Up next is the Barbie 2024 GMC Hummer EV.
It does not look like a Barbie.
It is the Barbie car.
It ain't the Barbie colors.
All right, y'all. We got a couple treasure hunts that we're going to open up for y'all too. The first one's going to be the Toyota Land Cruiser. You can see the symbol in the back, by the back tire. Don't leave that there. Up next is going to be the Tune Volkswagen Golf MK1. Here, baby, we gotta clean this up. This right here's gonna be up above the back tire, y'all. This symbol. I don't know if y'all can see it inside there or not.
Hey, they have to do well for them to see it.
Hmm?
There's a bigger one right there.
Mm-hmm. You see there's above the they see it now. You can see it in the camera. Okay. All right, y'all. That's going to be it right there for our little video. We're going to turn this camera around and say our goodbyes. Wait a second. All right, y'all. Bye, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Uh-oh.